Hello everybody, welcome to Ervan. This is Kevin, very glad to meet you here. Today, I'm going to introduce you Tubular of our professional series, TI60L series. This one is today's focus. As a professional tubular lighting with classic all-round design, TI60L series offer best lighting solution for various applications. From train stations to airport, from food and beverage to farm application, from cold storage to harsh environment. So here you may be curious about why. Please follow me, you will see that. In food and beverage processing, we have TI60L with polycarbonate housing. This one with the material of high temperature resistance, and here the stainless steel end cap. So the waterproof function is up to IP69K, making it very reliable protection. And the most important is we have HACCP certification for this luminaire. So here, together with what I just mentioned above, we can also make it as our wine cellar tubular. This one with a special wavelength of 595 nanometer and amber color to protect the wine and champagne against the riboflavin effects from photosensitivity. Avoid the risk of taste of light. Also, we have the certification of PISEO. At the same time, we also have PMMA housing. If you are looking for tubular used in farms, light stables, livestock house, chicken shed, and so on, this one certificated by DLG, tested for 1,500 hours under the condition of 70% humidity and 70 centigrade air temperature. Also, the ammonia concentration of 750 parts per million, making this one the best lighting solution dealing with the heavy ammonia corrosion from farm's harsh environment. But here, you may ask if under harsher environment, that will be still no problem for us, because we have the glass housing of borosilicate. This one, no matter how harsh the environment is, like chemical, plant, and oil platform, some place full of heavy corrosion and high temperature like this with the characteristic of corrosion resistance of glass, it can easily deal with the harsh environment and become the best lighting solutions here. Except for the indoor applications above, we also have PE housing for outdoor applications. Mainly because PE is material of anti-UV, can protect the inside of the light from the UV rays destruction. Also, inside this light, we use screw filling driver and LED chips with special coating, making it perfect waterproof function even inside of this light. And together with IK10 making it very suitable for most outdoor applications. So that's all today for this TI60L series. In a word, this series can be your best choice for most different applications, especially for industry. If you have any interest, please don't hesitate to contact us. See you next time. Bye bye.